Hey guys, what is up and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a special day because I am spoiling Caramel and I might as well grab something for Autumn too. Come here, baby. We're going to be going to the dog park. We're going to be doing some grooming. We're going to set her up her own little room because when I leave the house lately, she's been chewing up a lot of stuff. And so she wants to be in this video, even though this video is about Caramel. What kind of a sister are you? All right, then go away. We're setting up her room because when I travel, she chews everything up. And so I want to have her own little square room that we're going to set up for her today. And all sorts of things are happening in this video. So stay tuned because you are going to see all the fun things that Caramel gets. She's so spoiled. She's the best dog in the world. I love her and I love Autumn too. So some of this stuff was filmed during the new month reset. And if you haven't checked that video out from last week, I'll link it down below. And at the end of the video, it'll send you right to it. So you don't want to miss that. And Charlie's here. Let's get right to the video. So during the new month reset, I tore down this area and set it up for her to really have a comfortable place. And if you saw the new month reset video, you already saw this clip, but they are just too cute and I had to include it. Then I headed to the store and I picked out some bed for her. Even though in the past she has chewed it up, I didn't really care because she needs a new bed to be comfortable. I found her some new toys, a new food bowl, and then it was time for bed. And watch the princess. She's so confused. She's like, "Mommy, please put me in bed." But I'm not going to. She can do it. Every morning we truly enjoy our little quiet time outside where she goes to the restroom, and I just love my backyard so much. Today is a big Caramel grooming day. Got a bunch of stuff for her that she'll love, but we've got to get right to it. Scrubber at Target. This looked the softest, so yes, it is a 4-in-1, but I'll just be using the brush side of it. And I'm going to clean her paws. This is safe for dogs, so if she licks it, I'm not that worried. I don't know if this is soft enough. Man, it's not. I think I'm going to have to use this sort of paper towel thing. Helps with any cuts that she might have in between her toes, so it's good for her. And then the biggest thing is to dry her paws like really well, because actually that's how yeast gets in there. So you could be taking a preventative measure and doing absolutely no good. So I'm really gonna get in between her cute little paws. And I love that she's letting me. We've never really done this before. And she doesn't seem to have any issues. So it's cute. So now I'm gonna clean her ears. We've also never done this before. I usually go and get someone to clean her ears, but she really hasn't had any issues. So I'm not gonna be super crazy with this. I'm just taking literally just a little bit. And I'm just gonna let her sniff. And then I'm gonna go in. Just as deep as I can. She's loving me. She's a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Her hair came out, but not anything else. And then I'll do the other side since that side was clean. This is her bad side because okay. A little bit came out there, so I'm going to do another spot in the rag that's clean and dry. And I'll do a little bit more just to make sure we don't have any issues. Looks good. Looks good. Lately she's been having a lot more itching on the side. She does have allergies, but I'm just going to do it just on the side. And I'm going to take my fingers and just kind of rub it in. This is a tiny brush, but I feel like she likes it a lot better than the other ones. And this is going to sort of de-shed her a little bit. You're just getting all the treatment, girl, aren't you? We have our final treatment for the day, for her spa day, and it's just some paw balm. This is Kindful, so I really hope this is a good product for her. I haven't read much about it, but this was the only one they had, so I'm thinking it will be pretty good. Okay, you are beautified. Wanna go to your new room, girl? Wanna go to your new room? I'm gonna give her a little bit of a break, and I'm gonna go set up the rest of her her new room. You can see my dirty socks on the chair. So I got her this giant egg because I think this would be fun and entertaining for her. And then I got her a little travel bowl that I'm trying to train her to use. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of food in there because I want her to not spill so much. Her polar bear's gonna stay in here because she loves it. I got her this cute little lion that's not cotton. Stop looking at everything. It's not cotton or whatever. So if she chews it up, I don't know what happens, but that's cute. And then I got her actual food bowl, which is this bowl. Which is even better for traveling, but I've got to train her on the other one first, since that's better for hiking and for water. Okay, so her area is all set up. She has a little bit left of her giant bone, her toys, her food and water, and this is plenty big for her. So all I have to do is buy some anchors to anchor this into the wall because I think she might try to knock it down, but hopefully she'll be so content. Right, girl? She's so sweet. She wants her toys. Come on. She wants mommy to go in with her. for you. I love you. Okay, so I'm convinced that Caramel needs more toys. She doesn't, because she doesn't even clean up the ones that she has. So I got her this happy little smile thing. What? Go get it. She'll love it. It'll be super loud. But I also got her this cute little bunny that I also think she will love. Then I got her these Better Belly dog treats. They're better for digesting in her stomach, so she won't have as much of the other stuff in her, because I used to do the other bones, but I don't think they were digesting very well. Let's give her one. Kara, come here, darling. She's so spoiled. Kara, come. Let's see if I can break it. Okay, I can't break it. I'll just give her this for now. Shake. Good girl. Good girl. I wish y'all could see it. It was so cute, so cute. She's so happy. I'm not gonna give her this until she's actually left in her kennel. And then, obviously, I got her new leash, or collar. This is the collar I got her. It's a little cheetah pattern. And, oh, Charlie. Good Charlie. She's such a bad cat. Cannot stand her. But anyway, got this. And no Charlie. If she comes back, I'm walking her out. And then I got her new leash, and it's so cute. Y'all saw a little video of her name being engraved. It's very pretty, because I have lost her thing. Here comes the culprit. Where'd the other thing go? Okay, it's right there. Charlie! Psst. I sprayed her. That was probably too much hitting, but. Got your new collar. Come here. She's already had this harness, but it's super cute Hawaiian pattern. It reminds me of the summertime, which is perfect for my car. Come here, girl. You guys really have to check out next week's video. It's going to be so cute. Here's the name tag. It comes with a little diamond, and it says her name. So cute. My big baby is ready for her pup cup. Want your pup cup? She's so spoiled. It's closed, Kara. The dog park is closed. Kara, I'm sorry, Mama. Closed until Easter. thank y'all so much for watching. I absolutely freaking love my dog. I know I'm not the only one, and these are hopefully just some ideas on how you can spoil your baby, your fur baby and stuff. And so obviously I don't have real kids, but she is like my daughter, obviously. So, but anyways, I'll see y'all in the next video. You don't want to miss it. Subscribe to the channel so you don't. I love you guys. Bye.